Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in today's video, I'm going to be decorating a table for two in sunflowers. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, so the tablecloth was a thrifted item, and all of the sunflowers I just purchased at the Dollar Tree along with that cylinder vase because that is the theme for today. Those beautiful placemats did come from Hobby Lobby, and the cushions came from Divine Inspiration by Martha. That was a gifted item. Now, I'm really excited today because this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorating with Sunflowers. And that means you can decorate any room in your house, anywhere, with sunflowers. And that is amazing since we're coming into the fall season. Who's hosting this collaboration is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now let me go ahead and mention the co-hosts. So we have Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, Decorating with Jazzy Green, May's Design Corner, At Home with Lisa, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Z9 Designs, and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. Now, as in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquette. So let's get back to the video. Now, those wooden chargers were a thrifted item from the Goodwill, and the dishware did come from the Dollar Tree, and they are absolutely beautiful. Now the napkins, I love that color gold. Those were thrifted, and the napkin rings were a gifted item. The flatware did come from Party City. Now the wine glasses did come from the Dollar Tree, but the water glasses were thrifted from the Salvation Army. Now we're lighting the candle, and I cannot wait for you to see the reveal. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope Sandy agrees. I hope all you guys agree. And we're going into the fall, so who knows? We may do this again. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.